I'm going to show you how you can easily add a GIF to a Discord profile picture. First, open Google Chrome or any other web browser on your device and search for GIFs. You can find various GIFs by looking for specific themes or categories like funny GIFs or cute animals. Then browse through the results and download the GIFs you like. Make sure to save them in a location you can easily access later. Next, go back and open the Discord application on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the U icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. After that, tap on your profile picture. This will bring up options for editing your profile. Next, tap on Edit Profile to access the settings for your account. Now look for the pencil icon on your profile picture and tap on it. This will allow you to change your avatar. Then, tap on Change Avatar to select a new image. Next, tap on Photos to navigate to your device's photo library where your downloaded GIFs are saved. Now, select the GIF you downloaded earlier. Make sure it is the one you want to use as your profile picture. After selecting the GIF, tap on the tick icon in the top right corner to confirm your choice. Now as you can see, it's done. Your new GIF profile picture is now set on Discord.